everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today, I'll show you how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows 11. If you're looking for a free and powerful tool to run virtual machines, VirtualBox is a great choice. Let's get started. Step 1. Download VirtualBox. 1. Open your web browser and go to the official VirtualBox website, virtualbox.org. 2. Click on Downloads at the left sidebar. 3. Under the VirtualBox Platform Packages section, click on Windows Hosts to start the download. Step 2. Install VirtualBox. 1. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the VirtualBox setup file. 2. In the Setup window, click Next to continue. 3. Choose the installation location or leave it as default. Click Next. 4. You'll see optional features like creating shortcuts. Enable or disable them as needed, and click Next. 5. A warning will appear about network settings being reset. Click Yes to continue. 6. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Seven. Once done, check Start Oracle VM VirtualBox and click Finish. Step 3. Install VirtualBox Extension Pack. Optional but recommended. The extension pack adds extra features like USB support, remote desktop, and encryption. 1. Go back to the VirtualBox Downloads page. 2. Scroll down and download the VirtualBox Extension Pack. 3. Open VirtualBox, go to File Preferences, Extensions, and click Add to install it. Step 4. Verify installation. 1. Open VirtualBox from the Start menu. 3. You're now ready to create and run virtual machines. And that's how you download and install VirtualBox on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and let me know in the comments what tutorials you want next. See you in the next one.